Hello. It's Saturday, May the 24th. And so you remember these two little trees here. They're black locusts. And I'm running out of space, so I'm going to move them out of there now. I don't know why these black ones bunched up like that. Technically speaking, because it's bowed up there, I only need that one hole in the center. I just potted up another tree, but I want to bring you in for this because I want you to be there when I take these out and see how the root system has developed. I'll remove this weed. And now, this one here, you see that was just the top. So while it's still growing, I'm going to put it down out there again. There's no root on it. So let's put that, cover up that hole again. And put that there like that, and I'll put a little piece of plastic over it to keep it, which of course means I need to just lay the label down. And just lay that label in there, and when I put it back on the wicking mat, I'll put a piece of plastic over the top to keep it nice and humid. Let's start one with for the next buddy. Waste not, want not. When you go to the store and you're buying things, think about the package that it's coming in. Avoid useless packaging, but sometimes there might be things you need, like canning bottles and stuff to plant starting stuff. Sometimes you can have even planters to reuse the packaging that you just have to buy to get your product in the store. Wipe the wet off my hands there for a second. Now, let's see what this one done. And I'm thinking what I should do for that is use this tool. Like that. Get a hold of the seed leaf. So it's got a little bit of a root on it. And like I say, it's coming along. So I can make a little divot and plant this one down in the soil a little bit. Like that. And that'll be fine just like it is. That way I can get this away from the shelf and have more room. So come Monday, the 26th, I got to do some work. There's quite a bit of wind now. I'm hoping that I can get you a good recording here. And we've got everything cleaned up. Here I just got the mowed with the trimmer here. I actually mowed all this with the lawnmower already, and the dandelions are up again. Anybody want dandelion tea? Hopefully the wind noise is not too bad when I need the sound. But when I weed the beds, of course, I don't actually dig the soil. I just stick the digging fork in and loosen the soil. So there's a lot of places where I really didn't touch it at all. And I want to go over the top of the bed with this now to disturb any weeds that are popping up from seeds. Now in doing that, I've broken up some roots, broken the soil off, and they're sitting really on top of the soil. And also a lot of the small stones are sitting on top. If I gently rake it over with this, I'll get those roots plus any small stones that are now lying on top of the soil. I'm going to stand right here and turn back on to the wind. Yesterday I was setting things up. I was going to sift out the compost, but I had a flare up and that ruined my afternoon. So hopefully now tomorrow or the next day I'll be able to sift the compost and then we can plant out that down there. And before I go, I have to leave you with some excitement. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bunches of flowers on the pear tree. This is the first year for this tree flowering. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.